Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I am tenacious if nothing else, and I refuse to give up. And I have made two beautiful swipes that were nothing like what I thought I was going to do to begin with, so now I'm just going to say it's a celebration of Halloween, and I'm going to give myself just orange colors. Even though I wanted pink, I'm going to make sure it's just orange, and I'm going to try and vary them back and forth. Although that looks a lot more yellow than orange, it's okay. I have a more red orange over here, but it wasn't coming out earlier. I think that's pretty well the same. Yep, so I'm just going to keep giving myself orange and more orange. And that's that. I'm running out of that, so that's as much as I can. I'm going to put that in there right now. I kind of need something in between those two, and I don't have it. Do I have it? No. I had a lot of oranges, and I definitely have depleted my orange selection, so I'm just going to do this again. And now, that's a very red orange too. And now I'm just going to make this as simple as possible. You know what? I definitely... My camera will shut off if I don't set a timer. I won't know when to tell you guys what I need to tell you guys. I'm going to let it drip. Actually, I'm going to let it drip, but I'm going to control the drip. I'm not going any further than the edge catcher. I should put some white in those spaces, don't you think? Because it looks so cool. Just going to make sure that it gets to the edge. I'm not going to worry about it going down, although it did anyway. I am going to put a little bit of white pearl here and there and there and everywhere. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. And I kind of like the way it looks. So that's all the reason I need. And if it's a little random, so be it. Now, I'm probably going to tilt this like I did the last time. I don't know why I start on the right hand end, maybe because I'm right-handed. But that's when I have to go ahead and get my rag out, squeeze out the excess water, and it's black water. Oh, black water. So I'm going to lead this to the edge. Not only that, I'm going to lead it to the edge and use my finger, which had some water on it, not a lot. It's still too much to allow the paint to stick, darn. But that is what makes the cells, is the water in the cloth. It's the only time I add water to my paint, is in that damp cloth. I want that to come right to the edge. I know this is going to be quick, so I'm also going to cover that over. I don't know what to do on the other end. I don't think I need black. I think it'll just pop cells all the way to the end. Usually I would use a Princeton art tool catalyst to spatula this into place, but right now I guess I'm just in a very tactile mode. And so I'm spreading it with my finger. And now I'm going to wipe that finger off and get on with it. I am going to take this cotton cloth with the t-shirt hem on it, t-shirt hem, and roll up the excess so I have a nice handle, and try and get the t-shirt hem as flat as I can into the paint. Might take some effort. And once I get it in, I can also push it back again. But here goes nothing. I left quite a large space. Check my edges. I've got a nice puddle of paint moving in front of me, which means I'm very happy that I have plenty of white space at the end of the canvas. And that I'm still pulling fairly straight. I really want to I can always touch that up later. I really want to make sure I pull that paint right off onto something else. Like that, something else. Now, I'm going to do what I usually do and take the rag and tap the edges of the canvas with it. Pull it over here. It's Halloween colors! It worked! I'm going to use any extra that I have up here to cover over anything I don't have covered there. Kind of liking this a lot. It's pretty simple, but I'll tap the end. I didn't actually make any brown. Right now, I could waggle a skewer through there and be very happy about it, but I think what I was threatening to do, see if I can get any more paint to go in that yellow spot. What I was threatening to do is tilt this down, and that is what I want to do. Even if it creates this really cool wave. And I'm just going to let it keep tilting down. I call it the Halloween curtain. I think it could have been a little more evenly distributed, but I'm not giving up yet. And once I hit the bottom, I may actually come back again. Kind of makes me want to add a little more black paint right there where I see I'm missing some. Oh, slippery. Very slippery. Alright, I need that center section to meet the rest somewhat, so if I lose some paint, so be it. I can always scrape it off and put it on this side, or turn it around. Ooh, that would be cool. Oh, that would be cool. You know what? I just can never do what I say I'm going to do. I don't know if there's enough there. So, I'm going to add a little. Move that right back up there. Come on down. Well, not sure that was my best experiment yet, but I think I'm not done. I'm going to take off what I saw there with a playing card. Just a little piece of acetate. I know I hit that. It's okay. Nothing a finger won't fix. Hey, as long as we know there's colors under there, we might as well make a work of art. It should be selling. I'm not sure why it's not. I have a temptation to add some black in there. And some orange down here. Because I can. Because I'm here. Because you're here. Because there's 80,000 of you, even though if only a few of you are watching at one time. Alright, I'm not minding that, and I think I could probably get away with doing the same thing up here. And I'm going to try it because it was fine the way it was, but it's cooler this way. And that black paint will sell. It just makes me want to stick a basting brush in there. It's definitely not a simple swipe, but I like that. And I can sort of change up what channels are bugging me, and I can bring some of this, I can make this solid black, less solid black, and I still get to keep those marvelous cells. And I can do, I'm tempted to throw some yellow in there. That was too bad. That was actually a pretty nice spot right there. I haven't given up yet. It's still alright. I think the yellow needs to, well, it's not really yellow, is it? A little more. Because I can. Hopefully I can get to this so quick I can still torch. I think that's going to blend in really well. And it's kind of in danger of disappearing, but I like it. And I could waggle that with a skewer too, which may still be coming. As in, oh, I noticed I got a little white over the edge. I did actually put some white in there, as I recall, and the white was pretty cool. I really like how the white selled. I'm just going to waggle until I feel like they're getting the right kind of attention. Flamey Halloween with jack-o'-lantern eye yellow. I really, really like that white pearl, and I got 4 minutes left, and there is nothing and nobody going to stop me. Except for those drips that I wish weren't. Okay, maybe more random is better. Let's see what happens when instead of the basting brush, there ghost something or others. I like them though. See if there's any that don't look right. And if I maybe want more. The hearts are okay, but they're not really Halloween. They're way more Valentine's Day. Probably do spirals. The spirals would have to be purple, and there isn't any in there yet. I'm not sure how I would even do those. I really want some white right there. Let's see. I don't know why there isn't any white there, but I'm going to find out if I can make something happen with it. Well, maybe just a little more white. It's not the same, but it's still interesting. And I like to move the eye up and down inside my composition. Maybe a little more. You guys are going to be gone soon, so I'm going to tell you I love you, and there's over 80,000 of you. Thank you for subscribing. Check that your notifications are turned on if you're not getting them. Check that your subscription is still going, because people cancel it in strange ways, and I don't know why or how. But it happens. Happened to my husband. I know I say that a lot, but oh well. Yes, that's a lot better for me. One last drop. It's still calling me the purple. It is Halloween after all. I need my purple. If you're still here and I haven't added gold yet, get ready. It might be coming. That's the va-va-va-voom that I require. And now I'm going to give myself permission to torch finally. Am I? Am I going to put that gold in there? Oh! I want some purple. Okay, so I got 2 minutes left, and I'm still busy playing with this and having a really good time. And I'm going to do just exactly what I just did. Only add some iridescent purple, which is going to super amp it up, which is what I want to do, because there's no point in wasting paint and not getting what you want, so just do it. Just dragging a skewer through, that's pretty much all it takes. Just diffuse the color into the pattern, and there's my gold opportunity, which is boom. Well, really? And now I'm going to have to do that too. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio saying thank you guys for helping support me all this time and help me pay for art supplies. I really appreciate that. If you want to get into the drawing that happens at the beginning of every month, because I changed it, a $10 minimum donation to PayPal or Patreon or sent to my email through Zelly will get you into the drawing, and I don't mind that gold at all. You can add it after and it will work. Just makes me want red or more purple. How about more purple? Maybe I should just leave the dots this time, because they're kind of cool. And they're definitely falling in a random way. No, I think I'll just give myself, some splatters and call it good. It's a party! Now that's a party invitation, don't you think? So much more exciting than the way it was when it was fresh. So I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. I probably said that already. If you shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, whoops. If you shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, it helps me out eventually. If you want to watch more videos and you go to my channel, you'll find 840 videos minimum and playlists set up by the hundreds and by topics. I love you guys.